Now, the long-awaited professional debut of Jonathan Mufasa Hansen ended in triumph as the Wray Nephew Fight Night series provided supporters at Ebonyvale Community Center night to remember on its third stop on Saturday. After the disappointment of missing the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games, Jamaican Jonathan Mufasa Hansen finally stepped into the professional ring as he took on the experienced Kevin Bossboy Hilton in their welterweight contest on Saturday. The highly skillful and measured Hansen kept his opponent at arm's length over the 4 rounds, picking apart Hilton's defense on numerous occasions. With the fight going the distance, the judges scored the contest 40-36, 40-36, 40-37 in favor of the 34-year-old.
You know, it wasn't the ideal debut because it was a tough opponent, as you can see. You understand? It was I had to fight a smart fight through the whole 4 rounds because he's a tricky fighter. But I'm glad I turned pro. I want to tell Jamaica and everybody that's here, you're witnessing greatness. You're witnessing greatness. Since Mike McCallum and Richie McCallum, I am the best amateur boxer Jamaica has produced.
Meanwhile, Ian Impact Darby of the Jamaica Defence Force improved his professional record to 5-2 after a unanimous decision victory over Fabian Truck Tucker in their cruiserweight division fight. The bout was action-packed from start to finish as both boxers landed big punches as early as the opening bell. Tucker caught Darby in a flurry of punches inside the first 30 seconds of the contest as he hunted his first professional victory. But the fitter Darby, having weathered the early storm, showed his superiority and prevailed on the judges' cards of 40-36, 40-35, 40-36.
The thing is that the Impact wanted to give Jamaica, the fans, a show, you know, and we sat hard and we thought about the game plan, and the game plan was to really come and give Jamaica a good show. I saw where I could have stopped Chuck a couple of rounds, but, you know, I have to perform for Jamaica because they're the only one who don't know me. And so once they see me, they know that from the thing shot, off the Impact.
The third professional fight on the night had fans at the edge of their seats as Ronaldo Sleepy Beckford and Cleveland Nature Boy Stevenson stole the show in an action-packed middleweight fight. After both boxers gave it their absolute all, the fans felt Beckford would have been declared the winner, with Stevenson hanging on for the final bell. However, the judges declared the contest a draw.
Could have finished him and start well on a lot. Yes, and kind of dehydrated, quite a week in the ring too. And Wally Parros is a long time, about 4 years now in back the ring. And like what I said, the sleeper is back, I just get him sharp in. Yes.
The night also saw 10 amateur boxers being given their time to impress, including the first women's fight of the series. Shariki Moore of Sugar Olympic Gym could not stay on her feet as a hard-hitting Shanika Gordon of the JDF was clinical in her performance, with the referee stopping the fight 1 minute and 18 seconds into the second round. It was an overall good night for the JDF and Hitbox Gym. In the opening fight, Errol Pusey of the JDF scored a unanimous decision win over Kevon McKenzie. Sanji Williams of Hitbox Gym landed a telling blow to Damar Haslam in their welterweight fight, scoring a technical knockout win after 1 minute 20 seconds into the third round. There were also wins for Daniel Hilton of Hitbox Gym over Akeem Allen, while Jaden Eccleston floored Roberta Williams in a technical knockout victory 2 minutes and 6 seconds in the opening round.